speaking about Steve Jobs, no? Steve Jobs started as a broke person, di ba? Actually, he dropped out of college, no, sa Reed University. So, he just wandered around. He even, yung food niya, he used to go to this community kitchen. But from this experience, he had a vision. And when he saw the opportunity, he took it. So long story short, he built Apple. He made Apple a successful company, billion-dollar company at that. No? So he was rich, beyond his imagination. However, he got fired again, broke again. But Steve Jobs, maybe broke at that time, he was never broken. So he formed a new company called Next. Diba? Ang ganda ng pangalan ng Next company niya. Next talaga. So, ano ibig sabihin? Diba? Okay, fail tayo dito sa level na to, sa stage na to. So, sabi niya, next. Next challenge. So, that wealthy mindset, that growth mindset, he put up his next venture, the next company,